we step into 2025, the robotics revolution is unfolding before our eyes, and Tesla is leading the charge with its game-changing humanoid robot, Optimus. Imagine a future where your robot assistant cooks meals, cleans your home, cares for pets, and even helps with everyday tasks like laundry and security. Optimus Gen 3 isn't just an upgrade, it's a giant leap toward fully autonomous AI-powered assistance that could redefine our daily lives. With improved dexterity, enhanced mobility, and real-time learning capabilities, Tesla is on the verge of making science fiction a reality. Welcome to Tesla Universe, your source for the latest Tesla and SpaceX innovations. Today, we're diving deep into everything we know about Tesla's Optimus Gen 3. Its groundbreaking features, real-world applications, and whether it could soon become a household essential. Elon Musk aims to mass-produce thousands of Optimus robots by the end of this year, with plans to scale up to millions in the future. But can Tesla achieve this? And is Optimus truly ready to take over household and industrial tasks? If Gen 2 left us impressed, Gen 3 is set to raise expectations even further. This version introduces an upgraded neural network, allowing it to learn dynamically, along with hands capable of performing delicate tasks like threading a needle or assembling complex components. Tesla has made major advancements in Optimus's mobility, enabling it to walk naturally, navigate uneven terrain, and even recover from falls. Thanks to lightweight materials and more powerful actuators, Gen 3 moves faster and more fluidly than ever before. Musk has even hinted at a sleek digital display on its face and customizable body colors, making Optimus not just functional, but also visually appealing. However, with an estimated price tag of $20,000 to $30,000, is it worth the investment? Some skeptics argue that Optimus still moves cautiously, but Musk explains that it operates much like a human walking blindfolded, instinctively careful to avoid falling. The fact that Optimus can already mimic human movement with 70% accuracy is a major achievement. When it stumbles, it quickly regains balance, something few robots can do. What truly sets Optimus apart is Tesla's AI advantage. Unlike traditional robots, which need manual programming, Optimus learns dynamically. When one Optimus robot learns a task, that knowledge is instantly shared with all other units, accelerating its capabilities at an exponential rate. Tesla envisions a future where Optimus transforms industries just like self-driving cars revolutionize transportation. Currently, Tesla is assembling Optimus units at Giga, Texas, refining production before mass manufacturing begins. Imagine a world where AI-powered robots assist in homes, hospitals, factories, and even agriculture, handling everything from security monitoring to elderly care. Optimus is designed to be approachable, featuring a sleek black head with an LED strip rather than a full-face design. But beyond aesthetics, it's incredibly intelligent. Equipped with Tesla's cutting-edge vision and sensor systems, it can recognize emotions, understand commands, and execute complex tasks with precision. Of course, concerns remain about its autonomy. Some demonstrations have shown Optimus being remotely controlled, but Musk assures that this is just a phase, similar to how Tesla's full self-driving initially required extensive data collection. Over time, Optimus will operate with increasing independence, evolving into a truly autonomous assistant. Tesla's vision extends far beyond household chores. In warehouses, Optimus could manage logistics. In healthcare, it could assist the elderly. In security, it could provide real-time monitoring. With its AI-powered learning and Tesla's rapid innovation, the potential is limitless. So, the big question, would you welcome a Tesla bot into your home? Under what conditions would you consider buying one? Let us know in the comments. If you enjoyed this video and want to stay updated on all things Tesla, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Thanks for watching Tesla Universe, where the future is now.